What's up, guys? It's your boy Jazzy here. Today, bringing you another video. I am doing a coilover install on the wagon. Very excited for this one because I'm ready to ride a little bit lower. I don't really want to get rid of the ride quality as far as like OEM stuff goes, but with coilovers I can kind of dial in the fitment that I want. So yeah, let's get into it. Hopefully this will be a quick video because there's no rust on the bottom of this thing at all. And yeah, wish me luck. So I thought I'd start with the fronts because the fronts will be easier. Try and show you guys how easy that is. This is gonna be because there's no fucking rust in this. God, it's so nice. Look at all of it. It's so clean. Oh my god. It's on a fucking rust bucket. Alright, so now that I got everything off, I got the fork off, all 4 bolts off. Now it's just the top. Once I get the top out, it should just come right out. Here she is, OEM. It's not in bad condition, but I'm gonna keep everything just in case I ever want to swap back. I'm never gonna sell all this. So yeah, first one down. Front right, now it's front left. Yes sir, it's a 12, not a 10. Easy. Take that hoe off. Gotta take it off right there as well. I thought there was only one, but there's 2. Thought it was different. I need leverage. Hit the ground. Clear. Ooh. Ouch. Again, suspension's looking pretty good. Oh, here's the first coilover. They are silver Neomax. Everybody recommended these for the wagon, so these are the ones that I'm going to go with. That's like odd on this is just trying to like orient how the brake lines go. I don't know why that's so weird or difficult, but damn. Before I take the jack completely out, I'm going to adjust the fitment some more, and hopefully I can get it right. I want to be a little lower. That's that's a monster truck fitment. The rears, huh? Time to knock them out. Let's get to it. Ugh. Now, with me knocking out the rears, I don't really want to mess anything up in the back too much. A lot of OEM stuff that's extremely hard to find, and I don't want to be the one to break it, so I'm gonna try and do this as carefully as possible. I just took this trim off right here, and didn't break. On to the next one. Okay, so here's the rear strut right here. Here's the top. So just 2 nuts on the back side, and then that is it for the rears. There it is. Gotta be cautious so you don't break anything. Again, now it's time to jack it up and put the rears on. So, to start the rear off on this underside here, let's see if I can get a good angle. On the other underside, right here, 17mm bolt. Got to take that out first. Alright, so batteries running low. Batteries running low on all my stuff, but I'm trying to finish up this video as fast as I can. You need a 17-inch socket with, 17-inch, Jesus, 7mm socket with a 6-inch extension, and you need that's really it. 14 on top to take off the top strut bolts, and then you're good. Easy. Alright, YouTube, here she sits as of right now. Car's looking good. It's on coilovers. I enjoyed putting the coilovers on, except one bolt. That was it. Easy process, especially for something that's in the 90s. There's no rust on the bottom of this thing, like at all, which made this whole process a bajillion times easier. The bolt that I fought was just stuck. It wasn't rusted at all. It was just stuck. So everything was smooth. I was impressed. So the next thing I got to do, I'm probably going to paint this, get the wheels touched up, and that'll probably be it. I don't want to touch this car too much other than just wheels and suspension. And then once the automatic goes out in this, I'll be manual swapping it. I'm not 100% sure what manual to go with from what car, but I'll probably just get a 5-speed. This thing is not, I don't really care for this thing being fast. If I ever do anything to it, engine-wise, I'll probably do a J swap in it, go from there. Not really, that's years down the line. Main focus now that I have this thing dialed in, other than an alignment, wheels, like I said, and painting the roof box, MR2, 100%. My wife and I are going to start knocking that vehicle out here soon. Once we get it here, we just got to paint the walls, and then that's it. MR2 will be here, and it'll be time to tear that bitch apart. I'm excited. Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That is it for this YouTube video. I will make some more content here in the future. I got some stuff lined up coming up, so just stay tuned. Appreciate you guys for watching again. Have a good one. Deuces.